Let's look at what conflict management is. Good team dynamics will result in open communication and fewer misunderstandings, as well as being able to nip problems in the bud, which will prevent conflict from building into crisis situations. Conflict in teams often arise from the allocation of workload. Role overload occurs when one member of the team, often willingly, takes on more than he or she can cope with. Workload. Role conflict occurs when more than one member wants to play a certain role, and in instances like the role of the leader, it can lead to conflict. Role ambiguity occurs when there is a lack of clarity between the roles that members are expected to play. Functional conflict is a non-aggressive form of conflict which stimulates creativity and allows ideas to flow, such as used in brainstorming. In this instance, people can disagree but still work together to find a solution. The outcome is often positive and results in higher productivity. Dysfunctional conflict is an aggressive type of disagreement where people refuse to work towards a solution and the task is compromised, which results in reduced productivity and a waste of valuable human capital resources. Conflict may help to create an awareness of a problem. Conflict may stimulate creative thinking. Conflict may help people to understand a problem better. Conflict may lead to collaboration where the focus shifts to working together by encouraging ownership and commitment in a team. Conflict may motivate people to give input and to get involved. Unless the conflict is managed to create positive spin-offs, it may hamper productivity and lower morale. Negative conflict may lead to inappropriate behavior such as violence due to feelings of confusion and frustration. What can cause conflict in a business? The first is resistance to change, as it creates uncertainty. This resistance often leads to conflict. Inclusivity and cultural diversity. In South Africa we have many different cultures, and it is important to remember that we have to accommodate all of these in the workplace. Unfortunately, these cultural differences may lead to conflict situations, often because of ignorance, lack of, or poor communication. If employees are not informed about decisions or are not sure of what to expect next, they start to rely on rumors, which are not always reliable. Insufficient resources or unequal distribution of resources to perform a task will cause stress amongst employees. Different personality types thrown together in close proximity in the workplace may contribute to conflict. Values and ethics are personal sets of beliefs that guide actions or describe a preferred manner in which to handle a situation. Not having a high EQ to handle situations,